This is certainly the strangest of things. Jeff Sanders, whose contributions always stretch the narrowness of art terms, has assembled a new piece. A great nation deserves great answers. As if he had received orders from the Pentagon, Sanders has assembled a robotized chair and the workings from his Maytag washer into a trade show diorama promoting a torture machine, a waterboarding machine. There is no shortage of incongruity in Sanders' assembly. Homeland Security, Central Intelligence, the DoD, all in the rubric of a trade show presentation. Surely a salesperson is just around the corner, pencil in hand, MCR forms at the ready, calculating his commissions from yesterday's closings. Not hard to imagine foreign militaries checking the specifications, police departments asking about warranties, perhaps animal control agencies seeking handheld versions of the device. Sullivan Goss wishes to caution against any use of the machine in a home setting without first seeing a licensed counselor. Public viewings available daily at the gallery through October, if it has not been confiscated.